What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to fix your keyboard not working in Windows 11. So what we need to do is go to our home screen and then go to the search bar. And what we will do is go to settings. And if you click on settings, you've got some different options on the left hand side. Now what we need to do is basically click on accessibility, and after that you will go to the lowest option, and there you will find interaction options, and there is the keyboard option. Select the keyboard option, and after that make sure sticky keys is selected off, and also toggle keys and filter keys are also off. Now after that we will search for device manager, and we will open our device manager. So select that and this screen will be opened, and now we can search for our keyboards, and here you will find the keyboards option. Now unfold that option and you will find your keyboard. Now select the keyboard and right click on it, and after that make sure you will update the driver, because sometimes it will happen that your driver is not automatically updated. So update the driver and then search automatically for drivers. Once you have done that, you will find out if your driver is already updated. So once it is updated, it probably will solve your problem. But if it didn't solve your problem, then click it away and we've got one more option. So go to the search bar and type in update, and there you will find check for updates. Select that option and now you will see if there are any updates available. So as you can see, my PC is up to date and my keyboard is working, but sometimes it will happen that your PC is not updated yet. So check for updates, and after that update your PC and your problem will be probably solved. And that is how you fix your keyboard not working in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!